It was few minutes past 3 a.m. I turned around. Phone lights on my face. Message from my little bro.
Elegant Empire.
Hey bro, mom is dead. It happened this night. She's been taken to the mortuary.
So sad.
That was all. Just that was all.
So sad.
Fuck. I froze. Phone slipping from my fingers like my soul just left my bones.
For real.
Chest tight like the world just sat on my lungs with a throne. Nah, this is a joke. This is a dream. This is typo on my phone. I read it again. Same letters carved in stone. Mom is dead. Dead. No warning, no call, no breathe, no fight. Just last time we spoke, you said you're right. You said, my son, just focus, your time is near. Now I'm staring at the screen, fighting back in fear. 64 and you're gone to where? What happened to the rest? I thought you said 100 was your address. We had 40 more summers, 40 more birthdays, 40 more my son. I'm proud of you, Des. Dev, who sent you? Who gave you permission to knock on my door? You don't take her away when I'm almost at the raw. Almost at the stage, almost at the fame, almost at the moment they remember my name. She didn't enjoy the fruit of her labor. All the sacrifices now buried in a paper. Nah. You're not dead, you live. You live in me, you live on. You're not dead, you live. You live in me, you live on. You're not dead, you live. You live in me, you live on.